Hello friends, welcome to my channel Floral Style. You are seeing blade painting new techniques in this video. I take order works for professional artworks and I teach online professional courses. I teach oils, acrylic, tango, 3D murals, 3D flowers, orchid flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds and many more. For painting this, I have taken acrylic colors on the tile. You can take fabric colors also. Then I have spread the colors on tile, and with blade I am taking the colors. I have taken purple, blue, turquoise blue, and you can take whatever colors you like. And children, kindly don't try this art. Do see my other videos for my exclusive artworks, and those who are interested can buy my freehand painting course book with notes and techniques of 65 pages in black and white. You can paint with blade on texture sheets or on canvas, and after painting you can frame these paintings and make a home decor. My details are in this video and below this video in description. Now this is my second blade painting. All these designs are creative and you can paint them on canvas or on texture sheets. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art tutorials and new techniques. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.